We are standing here at the floor of Electronica, and with us we have Aspocomp. Can you tell me a bit about the expansion you are doing in Finland?
We are indeed working on a small expansion in one of our facilities in Oulu in Finland. However, it's not that much about the capacity expansion, which would be quite exceptional in Europe. It's more about that we want to add on our capabilities and services. We have at the moment the so-called wire filling capabilities, which is required to build a stacked microwires. It's an advanced technology at the moment that we see the demand going up. However, we are not that happy about the product range that we can build on that, meaning that the different thicknesses of the boards that have these wildfires, as well as we are not, and this is more important, we are not so happy about the production throughput down that we can achieve with our current machines and equipment. And as we want to be the fastest producer of PCBs, we are working on expansion of the shop floor so that we can add a couple of lines to fulfill these requirements.
Do you feel like there's been a change to the customer base that you have in Europe?
Oh, sure, so much. You know, like I studied this business year 2000, and at that year, if I'm not wrong, the production in Europe was something like 6 billion euros. This year it's probably less than 2 billion, or around 2 billion. So obviously there's different customers. I think one way to look at this is that most of the PCB shops in Europe are not really working anymore on the volume operation side or with the sourcing teams of the customers, but they are more working on the R&D departments of their customers and so on. And this is exactly what we are doing as well. We see our main customers being the R&D departments of our customers. We are working on the prototyping small series, or we are providing help to the customers' R&D to design the PCB so that it is, of course, performing as good as it should be, and it's cheap to build.
Of course, a lot of production in the PCB world goes on in Asia nowadays. What do you think makes your European manufacturing attractive to your customers?
Well, yeah, it's not the physical PCB or the fact that it would be built in Europe, but it's everything that is around it. I mean, the services that you provide and the fast delivery time. And the services is, as I said, wide range of the services, of course, but they relate to the R&D support, as I just explained, that we help our customers to design the PCBs, but also logistics services like providing consignment stock or being able to react fast, that you have a shorter lead time than the competition in Asia.
And lastly, what do you expect of this year's Electronica?
Well, obviously, my team is working to find more customers that would have the demands that fit what we can do and fit for what makes sense to produce in Europe. And that is only a tiny part of the world market, but it is still there, and I'm positive that it will be years to come.
Thank you.
Thank you.